Welcome to Redline Review.
There are currently no official statements or details available about a sporty 2026 Skoda truck-based motorhome, but Skoda has been experimenting with a number of ideas and models that combine performance, comfort, and usefulness, which might be what you're looking for. A look at Skoda's camper innovations with the Roadiak. The Roadiak, an all-electric camper van idea created by students at Skoda's vocational school, was unveiled by the company in 2023. The Roadiak, which is based on the Enyaq 80X Sport line, blends mobility with the conveniences of a mobile home and workplace. It has a one-person bed, kitchen facilities, a 27-inch monitor, an espresso machine, and an elevated roof for more headroom. Although it is only a concept car and won't be produced in large quantities, it shows off Skoda's potential in fusing camper utility with electric mobility. Skoda Kodiaq VRS, an SUV with sporty performance. The Skoda Kodiaq VRS may be of interest to people who are looking for athletic qualities. With its 2.0-liter turbocharged engine producing 261 horsepower, the most recent model can sprint from 0 to 62 miles per hour in 6.4 seconds. It boasts features including matrix LED headlights, a 10-inch virtual cockpit, and Dynamic Chassis Control Plus, which offers 15 damper settings. It's not a motorhome, but its roomy cabin and performance features make it a good choice for people who want comfort and sportiness. The 2026 Skoda Space is the company's electric SUV of the future. Skoda intends to introduce the Space in 2026, a 7-seat, 3-row electric SUV based on the VW Group's MEB Plus platform. Although it isn't a motorhome, Skoda's dedication to fusing sustainability with functionality is demonstrated by its roomy cabin and electric drivetrain. The Vision 7S idea served as inspiration for the design, which attempts to provide both families and explorers with plenty of space and contemporary amenities. In conclusion, although a specific 2026 Skoda Truck Motorhome with sporty elements isn't yet on the market, Skoda's most recent concepts and models point to a trend toward fusing performance, comfort, and usefulness. The Kodiaq VRS might be a good place to start if you're looking for a sporty SUV with customization options. It could be worthwhile to keep an eye on developments like the Roadiak and the future Skoda Space if you're looking for electric mobility with camper characteristics.